Right, the tip, rejection. There's no such thing as rejection, guys. Let me explain. Okay, when I talk about there's no such thing as rejection, I understand that feeling, we feel rejected. We're out on the streets with our camera, a few people are like that. We might even get a few, can you delete that photograph please? Sometimes people can even be a little bit aggressive. What happens with a lot of photographers who are experimenting with street photography, they accumulate a few of these no's and then they stop dead. That's all rejection amounts to, is like an accumulation of no's. We're accumulating them. It's kind of, we let them store up. How about this? The more no's we get when we're out on the streets with our camera, or in life, the more no's we get in life, right? Statistically, we're closer to a yes. It's just the way I'm looking at it, guys. I mean, I'm not saying that that's the way that it is, you understand, but it just seems a little bit more of an enlightened way of looking at things, rather than letting all of that, look, and we can practice. Like, I tell you, if you practiced out on the street with your camera being rejected, you put that first, you're gonna see, like, in a short space of time, your confidence is gonna be through the roof. Next time you're out, focus on getting some street portraits and say to yourself, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get today 10 no's. And even if you get the first 3 or 4 people saying yes to you, and you're like, oh wow, this is working. No, you still gotta get your 10 no's. What happens then? You practice having an experience of being rejected, and in a very short space of time, it's not even gonna bother you anymore. Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you've not already. I'm around about a dozen subscribers off of getting 1,000. It really means the world to me. Hit the like button. Check out my, I've got a street photography workshop coming up in August the 1st. It's in London, and I'll put a link in the show notes. It's gonna rock, guys, I promise you. I'd love to see you there. It's all about kicking down those fear barriers and just becoming more confident as street photographers. Right guys, see you on the next video, bye!